Hey guys, this is Ina and this is a late post kasi last Sunday to sa Green Hills San Juan for the special screening of Toscoin starring KD Estrada and Alexa Ilacad. At syempre kaya tayo nandito ay dahil kay River Joseph kasi kasama siya dito sa 10-minute short film movie na to. This is directed by Direct Kathy Garcia Sampana and ayun siya, sobrang pretty. And ito na, papasok naman sa loob para manood. Harutan lang with Supremacists, yun lang.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Vlog?
And ito na nga, nasa loob na kami. Sobrang nakaka-proud si River. And ayan, nakita na niya ata kami. Hindi kami sure kung nakita niya talaga kami. So ayan. Actually, hindi ko na natapos tong media conference nila kasi hindi pa naman ganun ka-okay yung transportation and hanggang 9 p.m. lang yung last trip ng bus. So, need ko agad bumalik dun sa terminal para makauwi ako. Kasi if ever, wala akong sasakyan and hindi ko din alam kung saan ako magsistay. But anyways, nag-enjoy naman ako dito sa short film movie nila and mapapanood nyo na din to soon sa A to Z and Kapamilya Channel.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, of course, for coming all the way here on a Sunday to support this film. It was an honor to be working with Direct Kathy, KD Lex, and of course the whole Hong Kong tourism team. And I just hope you guys enjoy the film. Thank you, River. KD.
So, ayun lang. Bye!